Hey plant enthusiasts, it's Irina here, and today I've got something exciting for both myself and my plant collection. I've ordered a bunch of interesting ceramic pots from Poland. Let's dive into this video to see the exciting updates awaiting my succulent collection. Let's unpack some unique ceramic pots and see what interesting finds await us. So let's start with this small but amazing pot. There is a bust of a guy made of white clay. It's simply magnificent. The pot has a diameter of just 7 cm, making it the perfect home for my variegated Euphorbia. This beauty grows slowly, maintaining a compact size. I'll place it in this tall pot, elevating it above the rest of my collection. Now let's move on to the second pot, which appears as a relief geometric shape. Look at these interesting lines and patterns on this pot. It becomes a true artistic accent in my collection. Such geometric shapes will emphasize the unique geometry of my crested cactus. See how well it complements this pot. Today I'll be unpacking 2 more pots and the rest will be relieved in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch all the updates. The third pot, with its content smile, is quite spacious. Therefore, I decided to give it not to a succulent but to a tropical plant from the Araceae family, Anthurium vittarifolium. It has long, leather-like, strap-shaped leaves. It's a young plant, so you can still see the pot through its leaves. However, in a couple of years, it will be adorned with leaves cascading like a waterfall. Meanwhile, its pot will continue to charmingly smile at me and my guests. The final pot for today is this charismatic head. The pot has a diameter of about 11 cm. I quickly found a resident for it, this Echinopsis crested, resembling either a mohawk or a brain. Together with the head, the plant looks truly unforgettable. After I unpack all the new pots, I'll create small thematic groups and arrange the plants beautifully on the windowsill. To not miss the continuation of unboxing the pots from Poland and the transformation of my succulent collection, subscribe to the channel and let me know which pot should take center stage on my southern windowsill.